People are always shocked when they find out I took a year-long break from posting on my brand's social media and my business didn't go up in flames. Well, now I'm back in the game and here today to share my top tips for anyone returning from a social media hiatus and looking to avoid feeling stuck or discouraged in the process. First things first, let's be realistic. Your first few posts are not going to be viral sensations, and that's not just fine, it's expected. Right now, your main focus just needs to be posting consistently to rebuild your habits, gather data, and re-engage your audience. Secondly, at this stage, we just need to focus on celebrating progress and not perfection. Right now, what I'm doing and what I would tell any of my clients is just to focus on small wins, like sticking to a posting schedule for a month, maybe increasing your reach, or if it's your first time, creating your first ever reel. At this point, every step forward is worth celebrating. And last but not least, always be testing. It's going to require experimenting with different post formats, styles, and topics, just to figure out what clicks most with your audience, what gets the most engagement, and what converts into the most sales. So if you're always testing, don't be afraid of posts that flop. They're a key part of the learning process. And these posts that flop are going to be the posts that help you optimize for more social media wins in the future. Remember, brand and audience building on social media is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't forget to save these tips for the next time you find yourself trying to get back into the social media game after a deliberate or an unintentional hiatus.